You mentioned about the big projects. Can you just talk about the size of the projects for people there that are not aware of what success factors is and what does it really mean to do, let's say, a brand new implementation at a large company at success factors implementation? Can you just talk about it? Because it's big and it's stressful.
So I think that they are certainly big projects because it's one of the systems that touches every single employee in an organization, and it affects them through their entire employment life cycle as well. So it is a large solution. Success Factors is not just a single module. It is multiple modules. It is a significant system with specializations across it. And in particular, in the current climate, the implementation of payroll in the Australian environment is quite a complex undertaking and quite a significant undertaking. It just happens that as we started HR Crowd, legislation, etc., passed where things like underpayments became criminalised in Australia. So it's the current climate is certainly quite a tough one on payroll, and it's very, very critical that organisations get that right. So when you're implementing success factors for a large enterprise organisation, it's not just the design and the build in complex Australian or New Zealand time and attendance, for example, or payroll environments. It's the testing and the IT to make sure that's absolutely spot on correct before you can go live that sees these projects take anywhere from 6 to 12 months to deliver. So sometimes shorter, sometimes longer.
Yeah.
And I think one of the key things that HR Crowd did to be different to others is in that pre-work that we did before we launched HR Crowd, we spent a lot of time and effort investing in an accelerated solution that we call Elevate by HR Crowd, which is a pre-configured accelerated deployment approach, which has been very, very successful in helping customers to firstly decrease the timeline, decrease the cost, but most importantly, to de-risk that implementation, to use tried and proven systems to make sure that you can get through to the end of the project with a completely compliant system.